wireless chargers. So these are two center consoles out of the Range Rover Sport L494. And if I lift this one, there is no fridge. There is just a big dark hole. Would you like to come and examine?
Let's examine the dark hole.
There you go, Will.
Whoa.
Whoa, look, and it's sort of got a furry lining, but there is, it's somewhat just, I don't know, it's not very purposeful. I'm not sure quite what you would do with that great big hole. This one, however, Will, have you seen this one?
I haven't seen this one. What's in it? Whoa!
Whoa, look at that. It's a white hole, but this is a fridge. Wow. Now, your normal fridge has a little lid that goes in it, a little lid tray, and we have designed a phone charger that goes into it. Let's have a look. Is it this one? Let's have a look. And I believe it is this one.
It is.
And it comes with a little wireless charging mat, like so, and this tray fits in here. And we've been selling these quite nicely. There you go, that fits nicely in there, nice and snug. And it gives you a little secondary coin tray and your mat. And then your phone charger has to plug into a USB adapter, because this is a media USB, so it has to plug into a USB adapter there. And then you have a wireless phone charger, all out the way, all hidden, all super lush. But it turns out that when you have the big dark hole, Will, this does not work.
It doesn't.
It doesn't really. It doesn't cover that. Look, isn't that a shame?
Rubbish.
So all those people with the lower spec, fridgeless people, they're like, Simon, I like this, I want one of these, but you've left me out of the loop. Fear not, fear not. We have not forgotten you. We do love you people with the lower spec models without fridges too. And this kit here should be Julian's latest offering. There you go.
Whoa.
And you get, whoa, look at that. You get the phone charger, mat,
Get
and
everything.
you get this tray. And most importantly, you get this big bit of glossy plastic here. There you go. Gary's got one, look.
Whoa!
I said I needed one, but I found one. Thank you anyway, Gary. Right. All right. So this glossy bit of plastic here fits in to the back of there, like so. And it's tapered. If you look at the design, I can't get it out now. It's tapered like so. So as you insert it, it sort of jams tighter. So it goes down the back there, bam. And what it does is it forms a little ledge for this charging tray to sit on. There you go. And
That's perfect.
goes in there. So, and then you have to do the same thing. You have to remove this and put a cigarette lighter USB adapter, and you can charge your phone. Obviously, it comes with a little, look, there's one I've assembled already. Look. So you plug all that in, put that, there's a little cable route here, so the cable can come out of there, and then into, we've done it so it lines up. It's like we thought about it, Will.
It is.
Yeah, and that goes round and into there. Right, so that's all brilliant. But then some people might not want wireless phone charging. Some people just say, well, I quite like just a tray really, because that's a bit cavernous in there. So look at that, we have made a tray.
Look at that.
Just so that you haven't got to reach down inside, and you can stash, what would you stash in there, Will?
I think you stashed some products in there.
Stash some products or some, don't know.
Whatever you desire. Trunks. Put some sandals in there.
Sandals. There you go.
Might be enough room.
Right then. So there you go. So that's that. So we will put these products on the website. So you've got the wireless fridge charger / fridge lid. You have got the non-fridge wireless charger and the non-fridge tray. That's it. Good luck with all of that. Also fit the L405. So the L494 and the L405 in the under armrest department should be the same.